Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. For today's video, I am going to be showing you guys how I place stones on nails. Please stay tuned. This is the stone set I'm going to be making use of. I'll be using this pencil stone picker to pick up the stones and place them on the nails. This is the glue I'll be using for this set. It's just a regular super glue. And I'm also going to be making use of this toothpick. Going to dip my toothpick into my super glue, and then I'm just going to take up a bit and start placing them on the nail. Just little dots of super glue and place it on the nail. Now this little dot is where I'm going to be placing my stones. Next, I'm going to use my stone picker to pick up my stones and put them on the areas where I placed the glue. Now you want to be really fast about this so the glue doesn't get dried. I know some of you might be skeptical about using this glue, but I want you to know that it's a really strong glue and it holds the stones for a really long time. Now while placing the glue on the nail, you want to hold the nails at an angle that doesn't let the glue drip off or shift. You need to only place the glue on places where you're going to put stones. And if you place the glue on like 3 different places, then just immediately put stones on those 3 different places, then place on somewhere else and then immediately put stones. Don't spread the glue all over and then start placing stones. That won't work. That will come out very messy. It also depends on how fast you can be. If you know you can move very fast, then you can place, like if you're going to put 10 or 8 stones on a particular nail, then you can place glue in 8 different places, and you need to be very fast because you don't want this glue to dry. So you just need to be very fast. You need to work very fast. I am done with this set. This is a press-on nail set that I actually made for myself, and I am really excited it turned out this pretty. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and also please share this video. I'd be really grateful if you do, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys.